better. Look much better.
Okay, today we're gonna learn about the transformation. There are three types of transformation. One is translation. Translation means you're moving up and down or left to right, right? So you slide. Those are we call it translation. And reflection is x-axis for now, x-axis reflection or y-axis reflection. About the y-axis or x-axis reflection. And stretch or shrink. That means vertically you stretch or shrink. Horizontally stretch or shrink. That's three types of transformation. So we're gonna deal all together here today. So in order to do that, you need to know parent function. Parent function is this degree is 3, then y equals x squared, or fx equals x squared is parent function. Okay, f of x is x squared. So this is the quadratic. That's the original form. From there, they made a transformation there. So from here, how change it to this? We're gonna find out all of those. So key thing is that first you need to check inside of this parenthesis or under the square. What happened? Okay? Here, this. And then everything else outside. So we divide two things. Inside or outside. Right? So first, let's do outside. Outside is y value. That's y change. Inside, that's a x change. Okay? So y is vertical. Okay? So number one, outside there, -3 times something, right? So -3 times. There's a two transformation actually there. -1, that one you need to separate, and there's a 3 right there, right? Times 3. So outside is y, right? Y is vertical, right? So vertical times 3, right? So this is what we're dealing outside, which is y. Y is vertical. And times 3 means make it 3 times bigger, right? That one we call it stretch, right? So vertical, stretch. And then we put the vertical stretch with a factor of this one. This one smaller than 1, for example, 1/2, 1/3, then that's a shrink. Bigger than 1, that's stretch. Everybody got it?
Yeah.
Okay. And there's another transformation outside which is negative. So this is a -1 times, right? So when there's negative number in front of the parenthesis, then that is y again. Then y is here, become here. So y value was 3, but now y value -3, which means x-axis reflection. Okay, if you see negative outside of the parenthesis, then that's y become -y, which is x-axis reflection. Everybody got it? Oh, there's one more outside. That's +1, right? This is +1. Then +1 outside, which is y, right? That's also vertical, right? Vertical, you can say vertical moving 1 unit up, right? Vertical 1 unit up, but you can just say 1 unit up. You can say that. Okay, everybody got it? Multiplying is stretch or shrink, or addition or subtraction. That means translation, which move up or down for y, x, right or left. So here inside x, inside all the time, opposite or reciprocal. You need to take it. Reciprocal. What I mean, reciprocal. So what I mean here, so this is a +2, right? Then opposite, which is a -2. Okay? Or x +2, make it 0, x value you find it. That means x equals -2, right? That means now this is plus -2. So -2, then 2 unit left. Okay? 2 left. You can say that. Everybody got it? So this one, because of this times 3 there, vertical, because outside, vertical stretch by 3. And in front of it there's negative, then y-axis become negative y, so x-axis reflection. And then outside there's plus 1, outside still, that's vertical, right? But vertical 1 unit up, so you can say just 1 unit up. Because up means vertical, right? And then inside we see just x plus 2, opposite, plus 2, opposite is negative 2. So inside is negative 2, that means 2 left. Everybody got it? Okay, we can practice one more with this different problem. So this one outside, there's a nothing here in front of it. We don't need to worry about vertical stretch or shrink. Only this one outside. But let's deal with this one inside first. Inside here, negative 2x plus 6, we have it here. So in front of x, we got negative 2, right? Negative 2 times x, right? So this is a negative 2 times x. Right? So this negative 2, we need to find out what kind of transformation there. This is inside of the parenthesis, right? Then times 2 become reciprocal. Do you remember? Reciprocal or opposite. So that become 1/2. Maybe times 1/2, you can say that now. Times 1/2. That means, because inside, horizontal. And by a factor of 1/2, right there. 1/2 is more than 1, right? Then shrink. This is horizontal shrink. So shrink. So even it's 2, we take the reciprocal and 1/2, right? Then by a factor of 1/2, because it's more than 1, horizontal shrink. Okay? And there's negative again here. This is negative 1 times x, right? So negative inside, that means x value become negative x value. Everybody got it? So x equals 1,2, that become negative 1,2. X value become opposite means y-axis reflection. So inside negative, that's x become negative x, which is y-axis reflection. Okay? Got it? Oh, there's one more, which this is opposite, but in order to, instead of finding opposite, solve this equation. Solve this equation. So that means minus 2x equals negative 6. X equals, divide by negative 2 both sides, 3. X equals 3, right? X equals, this is part, nothing is plus 3. X equals plus 3 means horizontal shift 3 unit to the right. Make sense? So you can simply 3 units right. You can say that. Got it? So that's all, everything inside. But outside is negative 2 there, right? Outside one is what? That's y, right? And outside you take it as it is, minus 2. Minus 2. Why is minus 2 means? 2 units. Y minus 2 means down. So this one has also 4 transformation.